Hello students, today I am going to start Unit 6 topic for the BCA final year student, and this is the last unit. It's the most important unit for the external examinations. Topic name is Managerial Issues in Software Project. That means how to measure in software. First topic is how productivity is software productivity measurement. That means software productivity measurement is the essential to ensure a development team is providing the best values in the shortest amount of time. Software productivity measurement metric help organizations determine the amount of required input to complete a software project. There are some software productivity measurement. First one is the identify the current productivity levels. Second is the assess delivered quality. Third one is the rationalize to need for the increased investment. Fourth one is the streamline programming operations, pinpoint development or bottlenecks, recognize the underutilized resources, and evaluate vendor supplied values. There are the main point of the software productivity measurement. Software productivity measurement should account for your organization's development process and environment, the number of programming language, complexity of the applications, and the type of applications development. That means software productivity measurement tool must be capable of completing an assessment that fits these development setting. Additionally, they have to provide accurate, repeatable benchmarking for continuous management of productivity and quality. There are different topics in the ISO, and CMM models. ISO means the International Standard Organization, and CMM model means the Capability Maturity Model. For the software, CMM developed by a software engineering institutes and the ISO 9000 series standard developed by the international standard organizations shared a common concern with the quality and process management. The two are driven by the similar concern and the intuitively correlated. ISO 9001 is the part of ISO 9000 family standard. The new ISO 9001:2000 designations comprises the ISO 9001, 2, 3. These are the version of ISO CMM model. Basically, CMM capability maturity models offer a model of judging the software process of an organization and for the identifying the key practices requirement increasing the maturity of the process. It establishes a successful means the modeling defining a measuring the maturity of a process used by the software professional. The questions arises in my mind, what is the difference between ISO 9001 and CMM? The basically main difference is the underlying the